Hey, hi. Okay, this is the placeholder for AM after mitral. I got. I'll redo this, but I might run out of time because we're 2 days before surgery. So I'm kind of busy. I'm making hats. This will be in the little grab bag keepsake for you. But make sure you sign the back of my scrubs. It's blank. I need your name across there. Where's the? Yeah, here's. I'm gonna put some verbiage on there. We got your back, whatever. And so do that. Here's the chocolate you might get. It depends on your pay grade or something. Or no, I'm trying to make all. What? This? Oh, no. That's in the bag. That's for my cat. That's down. Don't worry. Okay. Oh, wait. No, you weren't supposed to see this. Don't show my mom. Okay. All right. You might get one of those if you're. I don't know what you are. Lucky. Anyway, I got scrubs. I'll see you. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's it. Test placeholder VM. What? Oh, yeah, I'll take that up.